Okay, so to help you out to find all the prime numbers from composite numbers, I'm going to give you this chart. And what I want you to do is I want to make sure that you either keep a copy, print it out, write down the numbers on a sheet of paper, anything that you need to do to help you out. So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So the ones that are in gray are your prime numbers. Now, the most common ones you're going to work with is 2. It'll be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. So the first two rows are the ones that you're going to be working with. The other ones, they might come up, but it's rare that they do. But still, you need to know them. So those that are in gray are all your prime numbers from 1 to 100. So make sure that you're writing them down somewhere on a sheet of paper. You keep a copy of this somewhere. You print it out. Whatever you need to do in order to keep it as your notes, make sure you're doing it. So take a picture if you can, whatever it is that you could do. So make sure that you remember these because it's going to help you out in the long run when we start doing prime factorization. It also is going to help you with the next two questions or the next questions on your assignment. So this, I'm going to go ahead and put it in your assignment, but it's going to be used only for the for the second question. The third question, you're going to have to come back to it. So here they're asking us to list the prime numbers on the first line and the composite numbers on the second line. So here is a hint: use the prime number chart. So the ones I just showed you, I would like for you to have it somewhere. If you didn't print it or you didn't come up with a picture, take a picture of it or wrote it down, I want you to make sure that you're using it. So make sure that you have access to this and it's going to help you out. So I'm going to go ahead and look at it. So 12 is a composite number. So I'm going to go ahead and put a square around it. 37 is prime. 75 is composite. 81 is composite. 24 is composite. 39 is composite. 51 is composite. 29 is prime. 27 is composite. And 57 is composite. So in this list, we only have two prime numbers, which is 37 and 29. And we have the rest as composite numbers. Now, I know they're composite because I know 12, I have 3 times 4. 75, well, I could divide it by 5, so that means it's a multiple of 5. So that means it has more than 2 factors. 81, 9 times 9. 24, 3 times 6. 39 will be 13 times 3. 51 is 7 times, let me think. No, it's 3 times 17. Number that for 27 is 3 times 9. And 57 is going to be 3 times 19. So if you actually think about it, these have more than 2 factors, so that's why I know they're composite. So I'm going to go ahead and list them. And what you're going to do, you're also going to list them on your assignment. So make sure that you're watching the video and make sure that you are listing them. So make sure you put commas and a space between them and it's going to count it wrong. So make sure you're doing that and you are following directions because that's going to help you out to get it correct. So make sure you write this down. And then the next question is similar to this one, but you're doing that one on your own. So make sure you have that prime number chart handy to help you out with the next question.